Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a restaurant menu to Squarespace. If you're running a restaurant or cafe and want to showcase your offerings directly on your website, this feature makes it incredibly easy to create a professional, visually appealing menu that your customers can browse online. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and projects. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites connected to your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add the restaurant menu. This step is important because it ensures you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects under one account. Now, look toward the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This will open up the editor interface where you can make changes to your website's design and content. After clicking that, you'll see an Edit button appear. Go ahead and click it to enter the full editing mode where you can start building out your menu section. With the editor open, it's time to add a new section to your page. Click on the option to add a section, and on the left side of your screen, you'll see a variety of section types to choose from. Look for the one labeled Menus and click it. This is specifically designed for restaurant menus and comes with pre-built templates that make the process much faster and more professional. You'll now see several template options tailored for displaying food and drink menus. Browse through them and find a template that matches the style and vibe of your restaurant. Once you've found one you like, click on it to apply it to your page. These templates are fully customizable, so don't worry if it's not perfect right away. After selecting your template, you'll notice an option that says View Layouts. Click on this to explore different layout styles for your menu section. This feature allows you to adjust how your menu items are displayed, whether you prefer a grid, list, or card-based format. Choose the layout that best fits your website's overall design and the amount of content you plan to include. Now it's time to personalize your menu. You can adjust the blocks within the menu section by clicking on each one. Change the text, images, prices, and descriptions to match your actual menu items. This flexibility lets you tailor every detail, from appetizers to desserts, ensuring the content perfectly suits your restaurant's brand and offerings. Once you're happy with how everything looks and all your menu items are in place, click Save. This will lock in all your changes and make your restaurant menu live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a restaurant menu to your Squarespace site, giving your customers an easy way to explore what you offer before they even step through the door. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.